What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be covering the ORB report by size that we just released. So I'm looking at gold in the New York session in the last 6 months. And pretty much what this report allows you to do is just filter down the different ORBs by size and the results of the ORBs by size. So for those of you who don't know what the ORB report does, is it measures how often price breaks out just to the top side of the ORB, which I'll get to in a second with an example, just to the bottom side, and then it breaks both sides, and also neither side. But this allows you to kind of bucket each of the ORBs by different sizes because they have very different behaviors based on the size. So here, just quickly, is an example where price broke out of both sides of the ORB. You can see price to the downside of this low right here, and price to the upside of this high. Here's an example of price just breaking out to the downside. You can see the ORB gets formed, price moves to the downside, and then never touch the upside. So in this example right here, that falls into this breakdowns category. So right here, you can see that ORBs between 0 and 0.2% have almost an 80% chance of double breaking, of breaking both sides of the opening range. So how are you going to measure the actual size of the ORB? You're going to go to your measuring tool right here. You're going to go from the ORB low to the ORB high, and you can see this one is 0.13%. So this was a very high probability trade to target both sides of the ORB. Let's look at some other examples here. Let's look for hopefully a bigger one. Let's actually look right here. Right here, this was 0.19, this one. So 0.19%, you want to use this measuring tool to capture or to measure the difference. All you're doing is just checking the change in the price. So that's how you would do it. But what you can see from here is that typically smaller ORBs are going to double break. And then as you go to the larger ones, it is a lot less likely for it to double break. So you want to expect price to just break out of one side and continue in that direction without it getting to the other side. Let's see if I can find an example with a larger ORB. Here's probably the biggest one that I've seen right here, and this one is 0.62%. So in this case, did not break both sides. This is 0.62, it would fall in this bucket, and you can see it only broke out to the top side, never broke down to the bottom side. So this is what this report does. It allows you to filter down the ORB report. If this was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, reach out right here, this bottom button, click send us a message. You'll be able to do that there. And then up here, you can join our Discord. It's completely free. We have live trading in there every single day. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.